Hi, I'm Shelby, product manager at RIDGID for FlexShaft drain cleaning machines. If you haven't heard of FlexShaft, it's really great high-speed drain cleaning. So we have a very flexible cable that's fully enclosed in this nylon sheath. You just hook your cordless drill up to it, it'll spin the chains, and it's going to clean wall to wall. So as you can see here, I have the K9204. This is 2 to 4 inch lines. We have our cordless drill here, and all you have to do is push out to the blockage and then spin the chain, and it's going to hit wall to wall. So it's easy as that. Spin the chains, pull it back. It's easy to clean up. It's fully enclosed. So as you're pulling back, you can just wipe the cable clean. You bring it back in the drum, and you have everything contained, clean, easy, quick job. And then we just launched late last year our smallest version, basically entry level into FlexShaft. This is our K912. So we have 30 feet of 1/4 inch cable, and this will do 1 1/4 to 2 inch lines. Super lightweight, 8 pounds. Great addition to any of our toolbox. Thank you.